Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. So myself Muhammad Mansoor, Principal Markaz Luda First Grade College, Kumbra. Welcome you all for a even semester online classes. So here I come with a small video. It's a small orientation video. So I have to bring a few points before you, especially relates to that your even semesters. Especially that first thing we need to discuss about that it's academic calendar. So that even semester academic calendars, it was already begun. The duration from 10th May to August 22nd. So many of the colleges of Mangalore University, they were already started from 10th onwards. So we are going to start your even semester classes today onwards. And here that university this time it's strictly directed to that all the principals to go with that particular period. So that means already it's fixed a calendar, that the calendar it was started from 10th of May till August 22. It's almost 95 working days. That means it's a 4-month classes. So there is no chance of extending academic calendar this time, because we were, including students, teachers, all of us, we were suffered last year's academic calendar because it was the lengthiest one, nearly 7 to 8 months. We were struggle with that online classes and physical classes, and totally the duration it was nearly 7 to 8 months. So it was the lengthiest one. But this time that university is strictly directed to that all the principals to complete all the syllabuses, all the academic activities within that period. That means it's 95 working days. Total duration it's almost 4 months, 10th May to August 22nd. And here in between we have to conduct the 2 internal assessment examinations. Maybe that proposed date from the university is first internal assessment examination on 3rd week of June or 2nd week of June. So last time we had conducted through physically, so this time also we can trying to conduct if everything is okay. So that government's also giving some relaxations, then we may conduct it through that physical mode only. So it's better. And second thing, it's the second internal assessment examination. So that commences on that proposed date on August 1st week. So this is for the secondary examination. An important thing, so within this period, so that means in that even semester period, so in between that university may conduct your pending examinations. And one more thing, that university this time strictly directed to that all the colleges, and it assures there is no skip of examinations like last semester. So that's why at any cost university will be going to conduct your odd semester examinations, pending examinations. So when that government allowed or when the government unlock the present pandemic situations, immediately that university will be intimate or university reschedule the timetable of semester examinations, and immediately that will intimate to you, and before the examination that university will give a 10 or week long holidays to prepare for your odd semester pending examinations. So that's why it's a sincere request to that all the students, please keep in your mind about your pending odd semester subjects. So that will be also coming in between of this even semester calendar. So semester examination of even semester, that will be commenced or that proposed date from the university, it's on September 2nd. And one more important thing, so please in between your odd semester exam, pending exams will be also coming. And after that, after finishing of that everything or academic calendar, or by September 2nd, so you'll be going to write that your even semester examinations. So this is a small things about our academic calendar. Next, it's attendance. Attendance is very important and strictly directed to that all the principals to maintain that attendance. So our students, they are not serious about that attendance. So university is strictly directed to maintain 75% of attendance to all the students. If it is online or that offline, you have to maintain that 75% of attendance. Less than 75, then you have to pay the fine. It comes to nearly 1,800 rupees per subject. So that's why, so please serious about that. So please listen your classes daily. So the teachers, they are sending their classes or they are uploading their classes according to their timetable and subject combination already we sent last week through your WhatsApp group. So please follow that one. And so please, it's a sincere request to that all the students, please go through that for all the classes daily basis. Don't keep pending. So if you keep pending, then it's burden for your next day's class. So please go daily basis and finish your daily 4 hours classes. And please, if you teachers are directed to write the notes, so please complete that day itself. So next day you have to be fresh, and so you have to go for that second day's classes only. So this is all about that your timetable and that classes daily 4 hours. Next is subject combinations for all the even semester classes. 4th semester BCom. So these are the following subject combinations. It's first one. It's a foundation elective paper. It's environmental science. It's common for both 4th semester BCom and BA students. So this paper will be going to handle by myself only. So I am going to handle this paper. And the next one, it's a financial accounting. Mrs. Sandhya ma'am will be going to handle this paper. And direct tax, it goes to Suman Sheikh ma'am. And international trade goes to Ms. Shahada ma'am. She will be teach this paper for this semester. And cost and management accounting, Shahada ma'am. Then this time it's one of the special elective paper is that something different. So it's open elective. That means that that BA students or BCom students, they have to study that interdisciplinary stream papers. So here 4th sem BCom students, they have to go for BA stream paper. So we already opted one paper for that 4th semester BCom students. It's the socio-political movements in India. So this will be going to teach by Mrs. Pratibha, lecturer in political science, and 2 language papers, English and Kannada. Tanuja and Zubaida ma'am will be going to handle this paper in this semester. This is subject combination for that 4th semester BCom students. Next, it's 4th semester BA. It's 7 subjects, including language papers. First one is a foundation elective, it's environmental science. Then 2 languages, English and Kannada. Then HEP, core paper, history, economics and political science. Here is the elective paper for 4th semester BA students. It's commerce stream paper. It's a banking practice. So this will be going to handled by Mrs. Shahada, lecturer in commerce. So this is for the 4th semester BA students subject combination. And next one is the 2nd semester BA students. There are 7 subject combinations. So first one is a foundation elective. It's a human rights. Then English and Kannada, it's a language papers, and that core papers, history, economics and political science, and 1 elective paper. It's debates in Indian history. So these are the subject combination for 2nd semester BA students. And 2nd semester BCom students, their subject combination, it's 8 subjects, including foundation elective and all the core papers plus languages. So these are the subjects. Human rights, it's foundation elective, and financial accounting, quantitative techniques, human resource management, money and public finance. These are the core papers for the 2nd semester BCom students, and 1 elective, it's a retail management, and 2 language papers, English and Kannada. So these are the subject combination for that all the semester students. So now I want to conclude my small orientation video. So I hope all the students are enjoying these online classes. Inshallah, so we are going to meet soon. So when the governments are declaring unlock or free up with that all the restrictions, inshallah we're going to meet soon. So till then, it's a request to that all the students to enjoy that online classes. Stay home, stay home. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.